Hey guys, so I cannot believe that this really happened to my hair. I grew 1 inch overnight. Like, I am still shocked that I could grow 1 inch with just one ingredient. So, if you want to know the ingredient I used to grow my hair from 4 inches to 5 inches, which is here, you see, is 5 inches. Keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's get this video started. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is jessicatrnovec, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back guys. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be attempting something on my hair because tomorrow I want to go and cornrow my hair, so I decided to do a DIY attempt on my hair for massive hair growth. So it's aloe vera. I'm gonna put aloe vera on my hair throughout the whole night. Then in the morning I'll wash it off and apply my normal oil and go cornrow my hair. Then when I lose the cornrow, I'll see the amount of hair growth I will have. But first of all, we're going to do a length check to see my length on my hair for now. Then when I lose the hair, then I'll do another length check and see the length I have on my hair afterwards. So if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Alright guys, so let's get started. This is what my hair looks like right now. I'm using my front camera to do this, so you might see the words upside down. This is my measure tape, and I'm just going to measure the front of my hair. This is the length of my hair right now. So let's see. I think this is 4 inches. Yeah, 4. Yeah, 4 inches. So my hair is 4 inches now. So this side, I'm not going to do this side. Let me just do it. Same 4 inches too. This side too is 4. So if this side is 4, definitely this side will be 4. I'm not going to do the back because I can't see the back. So I've already peeled out my aloe vera. Yes, I've already removed the body. It's pretty easy to do. Just cut it, open the aloe vera with knife, then use spoon and scoop out the white stuff inside. So I've already done that, and I've put my aloe vera in the fridge. So I'm going to remove the juice, and I'll come back to the restroom and we'll start applying this on my hair. Yes. So guys, sorry about the lighting. So this is what is kind of not normal way aloe vera used to be like, where you just newly open it, because I've opened this for like 2 days now, and I I use it for something else, so this I decided to use it for this one. Yeah, so I've already become a bit liquidy. It's not more thick as it used to be. So I'm just going to, put this all over my hair. So guys, I'm just using my hand to finger detangle my hair and massage my scarf. I still have some aloe vera juice, but I apply that on my scarf. It's kind of a bit messy, so I got a bit tall. So I'm going to use I don't have shower cap, so natural resources. I'm going to be using this clear film to clean my hair. So that all the old juice does not leak out from this hair. I'm going to be tying my hair with some scarf. Tie it this way. When I'm wearing my hair bonnet. And yeah, I'm gonna sleep and I'll wake up tomorrow. I'll show you guys what it looks like tomorrow morning. Then I'll wash it. I'll do my normal washing and stuff, and I'll unroll it, and I'll show you guys at the end of this video. I'll show you guys when I've loosed the hair, what my hair looks like. Hi guys, so this is 6:11 in the morning. Early in the morning, I just woke up from sleep because I was not feeling comfortable with this DIY I put on my hair. Sorry about my face. So I'm gonna wash this out because the smell, sorry about my wall and everything. This is what my hair looks like. Wow, this is heaven. that was so tight, like I don't know. This is what my hair is looking at right now. So I just wash this out, and I still have some of this thing on my hair. Aloe vera. My hair is still moist. As you can see, there's still aloe vera. It didn't dry out. So I'm just going to wash my hair out. Alright, so the next time you guys will see me is when I've loosed my braided hair. I'll show you guys the length of my hair. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys. So I'm going to close this video here. Please, if you have watched to the end, don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share, or like, share and comment. Yes guys, so if you like any of this, my DIY, or this one or the other one I posted, if you like it, just let me know in the comment section so I can do another one. Yeah, I still have some other ideas of DIY to do. I like experimenting on my hair when I'm on natural hair. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye.